the strategy that you use for YouTube is an organic strategy of building relationship with someone and then slowly over time hoping that they're going to work with you. But what I wanted to add is I want to show you some of the strategies that we're using at the moment to give you some encouragement. I'd suggest 80-20 and just deciding on like 10 high impact intent-based videos that might rank for search if you get lucky. That's part of the game. Like all that says to me is that there is opportunity out there to rank still for things. Ideally, you want it to be a little bit more niche so that you've got less competitive threat with others out there producing videos. But, you know, I'm sure you could find something that would be specific to your particular customer avatar, knowing them well enough with the number of them that you've worked with, and then have a look at what else is on there. Like you've got to look at it competitively. So we will kind of organize our videos into different series because we've got, you know, pretty well established strategy now. And so I'll kind of run you guys through the different series that we use because these all have particular purposes and strategies behind them. You will notice that some of them are about finding new customers on YouTube and others are about nurturing our existing audience to build more relationship with the existing audience. Some of these work and some of them don't work. That's the tough thing. Some of them that we thought would go really well won't necessarily go really well. But fundamentally with YouTube, the idea is like how much value should you give away on YouTube? Basically, what I learned from Kerwin Ray, one of my mentors, is to give away everything in little bits. So it's basically like if you were to say to someone, here's how you go to Bunnings and buy some bricks. Here's how you go to Bunnings and buy some timber. Here's how you go to Bunnings and buy some concrete. Everyone would have all the bits and pieces on building a house, but you probably wouldn't trust them to build a house for you because you're going to need architects, designers, foremen, builders, laborers who are professionals on how to do it, right? And so I can give away every single thing inside our business in little bits and pieces, but it's the bringing it together which makes our consultancy valuable and makes our service valuable. You may not necessarily give away how to do every single exercise individually at home. You know, you never need to work with a professional, but maybe you could. And the value for someone working with you is the personalized experience and the guidance and the help, you know, or the coaching or the mindset to help them get it done anyway, right? Even if they're doing it from home. One of our particular strategies is we created this Genius Academy, which basically had a bunch of training videos on all the basics of Google Workspace, how to use labels in Gmail, how to use filters in Gmail, how to set up your signature in Gmail, how to set up your Gmail search. Now, I didn't want to put these on the internet and Scott didn't want to put these on the internet because we wanted to keep them behind our hidden membership site. So only a select few people who put in their, you know, email address and transfer their billing to us got access to this. And then I realized some other fucker's going to put them on YouTube anyway, so it may as well be us. All of these videos in different form are on YouTube from other creators. So I may as well have them up there. If we want to be an authority in Google Workspace, we may as well put them up there. So we've been drip feeding these all out one by one onto our channel. They weren't even presented by me. They were presented by another presenter. But we've been putting them out on the channel in the hope that these will eventually rank because Google already knows that we're an authority. If you search, you know, Gmail or Google Drive or whatever, one of our videos is probably going to come up. But Google sees an overall authority on your channel. And so if you have an overall authority in your particular area, then Google will start ranking all of your individual videos above other individual videos. And so what we're hoping is, well, our Gmail label video will appear above other people's Gmail label video because my channel is dedicated to the Google ecosystem and other channels are not necessarily dedicated to the Google ecosystem.